Hey family, welcome back to Katosh Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about something very important which is becoming news in this month of June, and that is about the Pi Network Open Mainnet launch. And today in this video, I will give you a brief about Pi Network and also take you through a complete process in which you can transfer your mined Pi tokens directly to the mainnet using these simple steps. So be with me till the end of the video. If you are new to the Pi Network and doesn't know what Pi Network is, this is the video for you also. You can mine Pi tokens for free and I will tell you each and every step in detail. So as you see in front of me, this is the Pi Network with the Pi token valued at around $23.17 per token, and this are the Pi Network page, the official page of the Pi Network with 45 million engaged pioneers, which are the Pi users, the people who are mining Pi tokens every day. And if you want to know what Pi Network is, let me tell you a brief about Pi Network before getting into the details. Pi Network was founded by Stanford University academics Nicholas Kokalis and Cheng Dao Fan in 2018. So this project was launched in the year 2018, and on 14th March 2019 they published the white paper. So you can also read the white paper, which is listed right over here on their page. Now the main purpose of Pi Network is to make crypto accessible to everyone, which means unlike Bitcoin, which is hard to mine at the moment, Pi Network can be mined easily. All you need is just a Pi Network app and you are good to go. You need to complete your KYC and you will be able to mine Pi tokens. So that's as easy as it gets, and also the Pi app is live on both Android and iOS. You can download it and start using the app, and you can also mine the token now. It's never too late to mine Pi token. Even I have mined it before, so I'm telling you, you can also do it as an experience, or if you are interested in Pi token, you can mine it for free. There is no cost for mining Pi token. And if you have more questions regarding this video or any video, let me know, do comment below, or you can also join my Telegram group, which I launched recently just few days back with new members coming on board. With that said, remember to subscribe and press the bell icon because you are going to get a good dose of knowledge today. So this is about the Pi token. So on 29th of December 2022, even I covered this news. Crypto exchange Huobi Global announced the listing of Pi, which actually pumped the price of Pi token from $44 to $232.97. Now there is very much apprehensions about the Pi Network price actions because many believe it is just superficial because you cannot actually exchange it with other tokens. So that's why the Pi founders launched something called as Pi Connect. So Pi Connect allows Pi users to make interoperable trades with other blockchain networks like Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, and others also in progress. So this is about a brief about Pi Network. Now let me tell you, if you want to get started, if you want to migrate your token, what you need to do step by step. So to do that, you need to have two apps. One is this, which is Pi Network, and one is this, which is Pi browser, this one. So you need Pi browser and Pi Network. So Pi Network will help you mine the tokens, and Pi browser will help you to migrate your token on this app to the mainnet. So these are the only two apps you need as per now to complete with the process. Now why this is important to migrate? Because June of 28th this year it is announced that Pi Network Open Mainnet will take place. So you need to migrate your token if you want to utilize the complete power of the Pi Mainnet. So that's about it. For details, of course, you can ping me on the Telegram group and I will respond you at the earliest. Also, other community member will also help you in that. So now I will take you through a step-by-step process how you can migrate your token. So for that, let me go to this screen and show you. So in front of your screen you can see the Pi app. So this is the Pi app in front of you, and to go to the section you need to first go to this part, which is clicking on a token showing right above, which is 5.69. You click on that, and once you click on that you will see a balance dashboard, and once you see the balance dashboard you can see the mainnet checklist just below, and you need to click on that. Once you click on the mainnet checklist, it will show you the complete step that you need to follow to transfer or migrate your tokens from this mobile balance to the mainnet. So I have completed all the steps, all the necessary steps. So again, I will take you through one by one. So step one is download Pi browser app. So this is the app that I'm telling you. So you need to download this app, Pi browser, and once you download it, then you can go back to the main app, which is Pi app, and start with the process again. So step 2 will be to create a Pi wallet. So that is kind of an easy step. So this step I've shared as in the screen. You can see the screenshot in front of me. So this is the option that will be shown in front of you. Inside the Pi browser, you have to click wallet.pi option, which is the second option right over here. Once you click wallet.pi, you can create a wallet like it's showing in the screen and generate new wallet. Click on that, and once you do it, just like MetaMask, it will show you the key, the passphrase, copy it and verify it, and again set your privacy preferences. Once you set your privacy preferences, click continue, and by default it will credit 100 test Pi tokens for now on the testnet to confirm your wallet. And you will also see on the top there is the option of clicking Pi mainnet and Pi testnet. You need to click confirm your Pi wallet, enter the 24-word passphrase and confirm your wallet. Then the next step is configure lockup setting. So you need to configure lockup setting. If you are not able to understand how to do it, when to do it, just join my Telegram group and I will tell you what to do. So once you set the lockup configuration, everything is set, you are done from your end. All you need is confirm your KYC, which is the option shown at this number step 5. So once you click on the submit your KYC application, it will take you through a page which will show, to me it is showing this message for now. Thanks for your interest in applying to Pi KYC. A slot is not available at the time. You will receive an invitation when one becomes available. So this is what I need to do. So this is the last step. I need to verify KYC, and with that most of the part of migrating your tokens from your phone to the Pi mainnet is done. So that's how easy you can do it. So that's why I'm telling you, even if you have not mined Pi tokens, you can do it with ease. All you need is an Android app or mobile iOS app. So with that completes my video. Remember, there are other steps to follow. Once your KYC is approved, you need to migrate to mainnet. That will be automatic, but you need to keep a check on the status of it. Remember to thumbs up and like this video if you love the content, and also remember to watch all the videos which I shared every day based on cryptocurrency on this channel. Do watch the videos shared on the end screen right over here. These are also valuable videos. I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.